Couple things I found when I was out picking today. This is a cribbage board by the Druki company. This is where the little pegs are, is in here. That's walnut, solid walnut, made in 1962. Those are $20 to $50. I got it for $3. I got this old truck here, about 1950. It's a Hubley. Now the advantage that us older guys have is I know how old that is because I know how old I am, and I remember playing with those when I was a little kid, so I know how old they are. Now there was a woman in the 1950s that was an artist. Her name was Jeannie Valentine, and she made paper mache cats like these. Most of them are about 12 inches tall. This one's about 42 inches. So I'm not sure what that's worth because I haven't found one online yet. And they're all different. There's no two the same. So we're going to find out what that sucker's worth.